Good morning, kids. What a beautiful day it is, isn't it? Yes, bright and shining, just like you kids, right? So, today, kids, I'm going to tell you a very interesting story about responsibilities. Yes, now you all are grown up kids and you should take responsibility of your own things. Yes, like who packs your school bag, children? Do you do it yourself or somebody else does it for you? And is it easy or difficult to find things in your bag? So, when you pack your bag, it becomes easy for you to find things because you know where you have kept it, where you have kept your maths book, where you have kept your Hindi notebook, your pencil box, your water bottle, your tiffin. And when somebody else do it for you, then you keep finding it in your bag. Where is my pencil box? Where is my Hindi book? Right? So, it is always a good habit to do things yourself, right? And that is what the story is all about today. So let's read it. The Lost Ball. Fred, a charming dog, belonged to Charles Alfred. He was given a lovely red ball by his master. Fred loved playing with the ball all the time. One day his favorite ball was lost. He started searching for it everywhere, under the bed, behind the chair, inside the cupboard, but alas, he could not find it anywhere. Fred went out to ask the cat, "Hey Ginger, do you know where my red ball is?" "Nah," said the lazy cat. "I don't know anything about it. Go ask the hen and let me sleep." So, Fred was Charles' dog, and Charles has given Fred a red color ball, which is his favorite ball. But one day the dog lost the ball. He was not finding the ball. He looked everywhere, under the bed, under the cupboard and chair, everywhere, but he was not finding it. So he went out and asked Ginger. Now Ginger was a cat. Ginger was sleeping, so he asked, "Have you seen my red ball?" Ginger said, "No, I have not." "You go and ask somebody else and let me sleep." Fred rushed towards the hen and, breathing heavily, asked them, "Hey little hens, have you seen my red ball anywhere?" The hens clucked and replied, "No, Fred, we haven't played with your ball since yesterday. Why don't you go and ask the owl about it?" So now Fred, running, went to the hens and asked them, "Have you seen my red ball?" So hens बोलती, "हमने तो नहीं देखी है, हमने तो खेला भी नहीं है रेड बॉल से. I think you should ask the owl." Now let's see. Fred was now afraid that his ball was lost. He wondered where it was. He ran towards the owl and said, "Hello, Uncle Owl. Do you know where my red ball is?" The owl replied, "No, dear, you were playing with it in the morning, remember? You should know where it is. Go and ask your master about it." So now, Owl Uncle is saying that I have not seen the ball. You were playing with it in the morning. You should go and ask the master about it. Now Fred knows that he has lost the ball. Now he went to the master. Fred started crying. He desperately wanted the red ball back. He went to his master and asked and said sadly, "Hello Charles, do you know anything about my red ball? I think it is lost." So now he is saying, "Charles, that have you seen my red ball? It is lost. I am not finding it anywhere. I don't know where it is." Charles replied with a smile, "Oh, you careless Fred, you only hide your ball under the cushion. Had you put it on its place, you wouldn't have panicked like this." So now Charles replied smilingly, "You were playing with it and you have kept it under the cushion. And now you are searching for it everywhere. Go see under the cushion. If you would have kept it at a proper place, then you wouldn't have panicked. अगर तुमने वो बॉल ढंग से जगह पे रखी होती तो तुम चिंता नहीं कर रहे होते और ऐसे ढूंढ नहीं रहे होते." So Fred ran towards the cushion excitedly. He found the ball there and happily started playing with it. Today he learnt a valuable lesson. So now जैसे ही चार्ल्स बोलते हैं कि the ball is under the cushion, फ्रेड भाग के एक्साइटेडली जाके बॉल ढूंढता है और कुशन के अंदर उनको बॉल मिलती है रेड वाली. And he started playing with the ball happily. But he has learnt a very valuable lesson, is to keep things in a proper place. जहाँ से आप चीज़ उठाते हैं उसको वहीं पर रखिए. ओके, यू शुड keep everything managed, children. Your books, your clothes, your shoes, your toys, everything should be kept on place, because whenever you need them, you know where you have kept it. In that case, you will not waste your time looking for it here and there. You will not ask your mom, your grandparents, or your father, or your siblings. So now, as you are grown up kids, you should be responsible of your own things, right? So make sure that you do that. Clean your bed daily when you get up in the morning. Okay, keep your shoes in a proper place. Whatever books you need, it should be there on your desk, right? That is what a lesson of responsibility is, and that is going to help you in your long life, kids. Okay, with this lesson, kids, we come to end of today's class. I will be back with one more interesting story for you and one more value for life. Till that time, you be safe, take responsibility of your things, and always smile. Bye bye, kids.